All right, so I'm really happy to be in here. I busted out the window of my truck like I was saying in that earlier segment of this video, and set up this shed, which my friends are actually decking out right now to make it livable. And they're about halfway there, or I'd say about 3/4 of the way there, I guess. And so I just set up in here, put the bed down right here, and then have like a nice area over here. Just this kind of wide open and spread out for me to get stuff done. Put down the yoga mat and also the roller with the tension bands. Gonna do some working out, and then I've got my power station over here with the solar panels actually out there stacked up against the shipping containers, which we'll check out here in a bit. But got that all set up, got a little bit of stuff underneath here. This is gonna be a kind of like a work area, and then sleeping lofts up here on both sides of the cabin. So you can see like the work area down here, and they got a little sink that they brought in here, which they plan to hook up. But the way I've set this up is just basically my counter right here, and then like I said, storage space underneath. And keeping track of my weight, so up to 151 pounds, which is 7 more than last week, which is good. So hopefully that trend continues. Kind of a little hangout area here. Let's go outside here. Now keep in mind this is a construction area, so everything's kind of a mess. They literally just got done sheetrocking the interior and running a lot of different stuff, so you're going to see a lot of things here. They're going to be pavers to make a driveway area here, because the idea is that you've got these 2 shipping containers on either side. Okay, you can make a roof over this and then easily park a big vehicle in and have plenty of room on both sides. And these are 20-foot long shipping containers. So over in this one you've got food, and then this one is like tools to get stuff done. So this, I really like this, because all in, my friends were telling me that all in for both structures, it's just right under $10,000, I think. Oh no, it's $10,800 is what it was for all 3. And so those are 20-foot shipping containers, and those things, I mean, you know, these shipping containers are bulletproof. And on the interior, they're really easy to insulate, because since they're corrugated like this and they have this wavy exterior, which is also on the interior, you just put insulation there, and then you've got your air gaps that you need to keep the insulation effective and not make it to where it's completely ineffective. Oh, I wanted to show you one other thing too. So there's a bunch of power here, and we'll go over the power that Chad's running. But this, just wanted to show it to you, to come over here, set up a pretty big pole here that's going to have a massive solar panel with the high voltage solar system. And so for those that aren't aware, there's 2 types of solar systems. There are solar power stations and solar panels. There's the low voltage, which is what most people have. That's what I have. And then a high voltage. So he's got the high voltage system, which is better. And then one other thing I wanted to show you over here. It's getting storm's really coming in. It's getting cold. One thing I want to show you over here is last time that I was here, if y'all remember, we were just setting this up. And Chad's been working on a bunch of other stuff since he's had a chance to set this in. But one thing I wanted to show you is to get his root cellar dug in the foundation. Like the footers are all set. And so we're going to work on this while we're here, get this root cellar done, and then get the greenhouse going for next spring, which would be nice. So we've got a bunch of projects to do. And so I'm going to stick around the general area for a bit longer than I was anticipating. And I can do winter camping around here. Also, I can easily jet into California and hit the lower part of the Sierras and get up into higher elevations for some winter camping. So just gonna alter my plans a little bit, go with the flow. And I'm excited to be here because I really like learning about this solar stuff. I have no idea what all's in here, but it's pretty full of cord. And so learning how to run all this stuff, and my buddies, they know how to do all that. So I'm looking forward to learning that, which would be great. And then, what's up, girl? You wanna come outside? Come on, let's go. All right, I guess we're going for a walk. All right, one thing that's kind of nice is they've got this deer stand over here, so we're gonna hop up in this. I want to show you some of the views from the property here. Cool mountains around the area. And ranch house back over there. coming. So it's coming directly from here this way, and there's been that break on the horizon all morning, but it hasn't come over here. So I think that that's just kind of blowing that way and not really coming over here. I think we're just going to be socked in for the next couple days. So I don't have my solar all the way charged, or my battery all the way charged, so I'm gonna have to get back and figure out if I want to run my inverter for a little bit and charge it up, or if I want to just kind of see how I fare and then run the inverter later. Eventually I'm gonna have to run it unless we suddenly get a bunch of solar, which isn't gonna happen. So all right, let's get down from here and go back to the cabin and start setting up. Sounds like it's raining outside. Let's check. Oh, wow, it's snowing. Wow. Well, it's more like the ice pellets, really. But it's coming down, so that's great. Oh, look at this. I am so stoked. Oh, man.